Hello guys, today I'm going to be doing a makeup routine. Okay, so the first thing to do is to get all your mom's makeup out. Perfect. And I just washed my face and put on Vaseline. So, you put on your BB cream. Like that, 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 like that. Rub it with your fingers. I'm sorry, I'm going to look into the mirror now. This is lighter than my skin tone, so I kind of look like a ghost, but it's okay. I was getting sunscreen. Okay. Wait, let's see. Okay. See? Good, good. Okay. Now, let's open up this box. Alright, let's see. Okay, so you get this. It's like that. Open it, and you just go like this. Just put it everywhere, make you look cool. I do this like once a month to go to school, and I just look so cool. I just make sure to take like a billion pictures. Just kidding. Okay. Good. Big difference, am I right? Okay. What is this? Tinted moisturizer? No. You need... What the heck? Did my mom throw it away? Oh, this is blush. Swish and Pop blusher. Wonderful. So just open it. Ooh, look at that color. You get this big brush. Wait, which brush do I use? Do I use this one or do I use this one? Whatever. So I'll just use the big one. Tap, tap, tap. Go. Okay. Tap, tap, tap. Okay. Cool. Oh, wow. Makeup does do wonders. So now basically the makeup routine is over, but I'm going to add more. Oh yeah. This is from Becca. Which way do you open it? What the heck? Oh, this, it's a highlighter. So you get your brush, like this one, I think. Tap, tap, tap. Then you hit an L. Everyone says this is wrong, but I mean, it looks cool, so tap, tap, tap. What's it do? Nope. Just heard something. Okay. Now we're gonna find it. Here it is. Eyebrows. Okay. Okay. If I do this wrong. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Where's the brush? I need to add some more. Oh, these are looking bad. I can't do my eyebrows with that hand. You have more of a curve, you know, like. No. Okay, I need more on this side. Whoa, broski. Wait, this eyebrow is shorter than this eyebrow. Curve appeal, yeah. This, like, it's like thick right here. Why eyebrows? Why do you do that to me? Okay, everyone's like, I hate my eyebrows. They're so bad. I'm like, I don't have any eyebrows. Am I supposed to go like down your whole eye or something? Hello. Do I look like a different person? Just kind of like. Yeah, I don't like this at all. It's brushing a lot. Brushing a lot. Okay, put the cap back on. Oh, we got the cap. Anything else? What's this do? I could never open it. Highlight, more highlight. Let's add more highlight. I love highlight. It's the only thing that looks cool. Okay. Now, I'm not allowed to wear mascara, so I'm not going to do that, but should I just add a little bit? Yeah. They're real. Ow, 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 ow. Whoa. Way too much. Oh shit, Taki. Darn it. Let me go get a paper towel. Wait, actually, like a tissue or something. Actually, I just grabbed some toilet paper. It's really hard. I should put some water on this. Why aren't you coming off? I look like I'm goth. Okay, whatever. I'll just rub it off. Oh no, I made it worse. Never wear mascara, children. Ow, 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 ow. Oh shoot. Oh my gosh. Come off, come off, come off, come off, come off, come off. Oh my gosh. I need to make up a story like, oh yeah, I was just fighting the other day and I got hit really hard, but it's okay. You should say the other person, you know. All my highlights coming off. Obviously, you two people are like, I have to conceal that under eyes to make myself look awake, and I'm like, I have to make sure the mascara doesn't go under eyes because, oh my god. All my friends do mascara and it always looks fine. When I do it, it looks like a raccoon. What the crap cake? Come on, pull through. Does that look better? Still pretty dark. Okay. Oh gosh, this looks like I got punched. Good. Bad and bougie. Okay, get back. Why does my mom get like mini ones? Like, Okay. Good. Oh shoot, what does this go to? Does this go to the eyebrow filter? Probably. Okay, that's mine. Fishy Touches lip gloss. I got this like Kyla lip kit thing for Christmas. Wait, no, for like this holiday party. Yeah, I've worn it 0 times, but whatever. I just think I'm cool to have it, you know. Magic Eye Rescue. Ah! Okay, well, I hope you guys enjoyed my makeup video. Now I need to go find makeup remover wipes. Bye-bye!